If you have already established your thesis statement for this prompt, then you are ready to write an intro conclusion. If you have not established your thesis statement, you need to do that. You need to do that right now. If your thesis statement has been checked by Ms. Childers or Mr. Short, then let's think about that. If we said your thesis statement is your topic plus your categories, then you might have something like competition is helpful to students in the areas of something, something, something. If it's thoughtful acts benefit these groups of people, or thoughtful acts benefit others in that they do this, this, this. Whatever your thesis is, once you have your topic and your categories, you need to kind of start thinking about how you would appeal to your audience, how you would narrow that down, and how you would eventually build to your thesis, because your thesis statement is your last sentence of your introduction. Your thesis statement is the last sentence of your introduction. For your introduction, you need to start broad, and you can think of like an everybody statement, narrow that down, and then you're talking about you. These kind of are in the prompt itself. Competition can be something, something, or everybody has competition in life. Whether that's good or bad, blah, 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 your thesis. So you need to start out talking about your topic and make a statement that is true, no weird questions, no talking about yourself, no mentioning things you're going to mention in your thesis. Big deal topic, narrow that down to bridge it between the whole big topic and what you specifically are going to argue, and then you put your thesis statement. For your conclusion, you need to have some sort of transition word like overall or in short or whatever, and then restate the first part of your thesis, give your examples or elaborations, and make a big point. So transition and then your topic part of your thesis. Period. New sentence. Give your examples and your categories. So not only blah, but it also blahs. Put it in a sentence. If you have 3 categories, then you'd have more words. Your big point needs to be related to your topic. Relate to the topic, not your thesis. Relate to the topic, not your thesis. Anybody who, or anyone who, something, competition. Anyone who is worried about competition should feel reassured because it's a great thing. Or anyone who loves competition should be careful because it really can be harmful to students. Whatever your point is, tell them what you want them to do. Anybody who feels like your acts of service are not big enough should be rest assured because they can help all these people. Whatever it is, you want to make a point. So think about your bridge statement, go back to that, but make a point. This right here can be tricky, and it's a big deal to write a great conclusion. So if you get stuck right here, come talk to us. Show us this part, and we can probably help you come up with a really good final point. But we can't help you come up with a final point if you don't ask. So if you get stuck right here, talk to us.